Today the market gave me a clear lesson. I walked in with a bias and the market punished me for it. Two trades both on the wrong side. Here's what happened and more importantly why. Today is Tuesday 9th of June 2026 Nifty expiry session. Market opened gap up above R1 just below previous day high and previous month low zone. And right from that opening I made my first mistake. I assumed gap up opening market is going up today. That assumption, that bias shaped every decision I made today and that is where everything went wrong. The very first candle initially started falling but then made a big lower wick candle. It took support on 23,200 zone and I saw that and thought market is going to go up from here. I entered 23,250 PE sell. Honestly speaking, this was a rash entry, impulsive, made in a hurry without proper confirmation. The candle hadn't even closed, the setup wasn't fully formed. I entered anyway because my bias was already telling me market was going up. After entry, my strike actually fell nicely, but not because the market was moving in my direction. It was theta decay, time value eroding the premium. Market itself had not made any real move yet. I trailed my SL and brought it just above 9:45 am candle high. My 30 points target was just 10 points away. For that target to be hit, Nifty only needed to reach previous day high. But Nifty rejected sharply from 23 to 50 zone. My TSL got hit. Profit booked in this was around 700. Technically a green trade, but the direction I caught was completely wrong. The 700 came from decay, not from the market moving where I expected. That is an important distinction. For my second trade, I entered 23,200 PE sell. The logic was support candle on 50 EMA, 20 EMA and previous day swing high and 23,200 zone. Four things converging at one point that looked like a strong setup. But I made two clear execution mistakes here. First, I entered in the running candle. Ideally, I should have waited for the candle to close fully and then entered only when its high was broken. That would have given me a confirmed entry with a much smaller and defined SL. Second, and this is the biggest one, I should have avoided this entry completely because the entry candle was extremely big. The big candle entry means big SL, and on expiry day, big SLs in big candles are dangerous. Expiry day volatility makes large candles very common, and entering in the middle of one is asking for trouble. All I had to do was wait for the candle to fully form. I didn't. The logic of the trade turned out to be incorrect. Market moved against my position. SL around 20 points got hit. Loss from trade 2 was around 4,500. Now let's talk about the real reason why today went wrong. Because it wasn't just the execution mistakes, it was the bias. Market opened gap up and I immediately assumed today was going to be a bullish day. That assumption never left me. Both trade, I was looking for only for put side, looking for reasons to go bullish even when the chart was not giving me those reasons. Market was actually telling a different story, but I wasn't listening. There is a saying in market, Bhav Bhagwan Chhe. Price is God. What the chart says, that is the truth. Not what I assume, not what I expect, not what I hope. Today I listened to my assumption instead of the chart and the market corrected me. Overall loss for the day was around 4,000. Three lessons today, all connected to the same root cause. Pehla lesson, never walk into the trade session with a fixed bias. Gap up opening does not mean bullish day. Gap down opening does not mean bearish day. Let the chart tell you the story, not your assumption. Bhav Bhagwan Chhe, price is God, listen to it. Dusra lesson, on expiry day, never enter in a running candle. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for the high to break, then enter. A confirmed entry with a small SL is always better than an impulsive entry with a big SL. Teesra lesson, a big entry candle is a warning sign. If the candle is too big, the SL becomes too big. And a big SL on the expiry day is unnecessary risk. When the candle is too big, simply wait for the next one. June experiment day 6, second loss of the month. But today's lesson, listening to the chart instead of your assumption, that is one of the most important lessons in trading. Subscribe to follow along as this experiment continues. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.